How to integrate Asana with Google Calendar. So first go to your Asana homepage here. Then next is just click on this one here at the top right corner. Next is just click on settings. Okay, now click on apps. Then click on see all apps. Okay, now let's search for Google Calendar on the search bar. Okay, click on Google Calendar. Now just click on install. After that, let's just wait. Now just click on connect to Google Calendar. Okay, click on allow. Okay, let's wait for this to load. It kind of takes its time. Okay, now just click on your Google account. Then just click on continue. Now just add the Google Calendar to one of your projects. For example, I'll just add it to this one, to one of my workspace or project. Then just click on next. Now click on got it. Now for us to make sure that it's connected, just click on calendar. Click on any of the tasks here. Then as you can see, Google Calendar is here. Click on it. Now now you can just add a Google Calendar event here. Choose your email. Okay, let's wait for it. And there you go. Just customize these things here. Then after that, just click on submit and you're done. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.